now we can draw a unicorn. I'm drawing with pencil, but you can use a marker. I'm just using a pencil because I can't really erase some of the rough lines that we're going to use. So the first step is to draw a sideways U like this. Then you draw a straight line, then a straight line from that U, like this. And you might want to make it a little shorter. Then you continue this line, and then you draw a curve here, like this. Then you draw a curve joining, like this. Then for the body, you'll draw a slight curving line, and then you draw from there another looping, and then you join one from there. And you might want to just go like that. Then from the other line that you drew from the U, you will you'll turn it sideways if you want to. Then you can just draw it like this, and then join it to the back leg, like this. That's the basic shape, but then you can decorate it however you want with the hair and stuff, but this is how I draw the hair. So the first thing I do is draw the horn. So I draw a triangle, like a pointy triangle like that. Then I draw this sort of sideways S shape, and then join it to the hair, like to the head. This. Then for the hair, I do these curves like this, and they're pretty big. Then I go like this and join each one to make hairs like this. Bunches of hairs. Like that. Then I'll erase these lines over here. Then I might even draw a little bit more hair here. But the one over here is smaller than the rest of them. Then for the tail, I like to round the body a bit more. Then from the very top here, I draw a curve like this. Then I draw a little line, then out, line, out. Then I draw one like this. Then I continue it, line, out. Then I join it to the start, like this. Then for the face, what I like to do is I draw for the horn, I drew little curves like this for the details. Then for the eyes, the first thing I'll do, I'll draw oval like this. Then an upside down U shape like this. Then one big circle here and a little circle there. Then I'll color all of this black, like this. Then down here I'll color it with blue, or you could do any other eye color. But what I like to do by doing that is the bottom I make it dark and the top I make it a little lighter. Then I draw a curved line like this for the nose. Then I put a little dot. then you can color or decorate it however you want to. So now with my marker, I'm going to outline it. So now I've colored and detailed my unicorn. So for the horn and hooves, I used gold, but if you don't have gold, you can use yellow or something close to gold. And I forgot to mention that I didn't do the ears, so you just need to draw a little triangle right above the first hair. And then color the inside pink. So this is how I draw and color a unicorn.